when you can find patterns in that sort of insane level of data, now you've really got something. And that's but one of the many areas where I think that this could be utterly transformational.
Yeah, I mean, like right now, the AIs are know-it-alls. You know, all graduates, but you have specialists. You'll have a nutritionist AI. You will have a microbiome AI. You will have a personal trainer AI. Like, why was Peloton successful? You know, attractive people shouting at you. You know, we could generate that now. um, Everyone suddenly gets that personalized to them.
Mm.
But more than that, it's not just the information being in this tiny model. You have retrieval augmented models and other things, which means these models now interact with existing data sets and knowledge sets. So you use something like Perplexity AI. It doesn't only answer your questions with GPT-4, it gives you references. So you can say, what about MAD? And it'll link to all of the things as it gives individual stuff. And this will only advance from here. So you can dig into as much depth as possible that you want with a whole team of people around you, even if you're by yourself. So you should never be alone again
Mm.
in terms of you can be connected to people like you in the same problem as you. We can build better teams, and all the information at the world is at your fingertips in a way that it was never before, including your own private information. So like one of my favorite apps, it does use some battery, is Rewind AI. It
I
takes a
know it.
screenshot of your MacBook screen every time it changes and OCRs it.
Hmm.
And then it gives a timeline. So I can type in impact theory and it will look through everything that's ever been on my MacBook screen. It's all stored locally, and find where impact theory is on YouTube, or there's a picture of this mug, and it shows it in a timeline. So I can go back and I can see what I looked at before or after that.
What? Wow. So you can map your own sort of connective trees with whatever.
And what happens when you combine that with a language model? Everything you see on your screen stored locally with an open source language model, it creates the Memex, and it sees what you've paid more attention to versus less attention. Again, they're dystopian versions of this.
Hmm.
I'm talking about the utopian version, which is ADD me can finally remember what I was doing, what I was looking at, the context, the search tree as I was searching all these different things, clicking from place to place.
Hmm.
And then you can set agents to go and recreate that journey and search all the other stuff that you didn't search. This is really positive because, again, how much of our life is done searching for knowledge, searching for information that's relevant to us?
Hmm.